Hey everyone, welcome. Today we'll be looking at adding narration to an existing WeVideo. So as you can see here at the bottom, I have in the timeline some text. I have a few of these titles. This would be possibly something you might see at a science fair, for example, welcome signage. I have some static images like these right here, some motion video, and an audio track with some tech-friendly music. So here's what we hear. All right, but maybe you need to have a narration over the top of this. So how could we add that to make this be audio signage? So first thing we need to do is jump to the My Media tab and find this narrate button at the top of the My Media window. And this is where we would add our voice. It will be a voiceover and it will add a whole new track. So let's try that right now. Click record. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the West Junior High School Science Fair. Please proceed directly to the auditorium to set up your project. All right, so now you can see we have this voiceover track down here with our audio, and if you recall, there's a cough in there. So here's what we have so far. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the West Junior High School Science Fair. Please proceed directly to the auditorium to set up your project. Okay, so you notice that it's a little soft compared to our music track here, and as you recall, we can add new spots here in our levels so that we can turn the audio down during the time that the speaker is talking. We can get it down quietly so the voice of the narrator can be heard. So keep that down around 10, and then we'll bump up right after to about 30. So that way it's quiet during the time the narrator is speaking. Get that down just a touch. That's close enough, I suppose. So now we've got it sounding like this. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the West Junior High School Science Fair. Please proceed directly to the auditorium to set up your project. Now, I could just leave this and keep that cough sound in there. I could also do a re-record. I'm going to make the track a little bit bigger so that it's easier to see. This spike right here in the waveform, that's that cough. So I think what we can do, rather than re-recording that, we can get this in one take if we just make sure we click on the track we want to work with so it's highlighted blue, slide over so we're right near that cough, hit the scissor icon, and then slide over so we're just past the cough and hit the scissor icon again. And now that cough is isolated. Let's see how it looks right now. School Science Fair. Please proceed directly. Now, to get rid of it, we've done the clip. All we need to do is delete that segment, and the cough is now gone. We don't have to re-record. Please proceed. And we could also split this over a little bit, make it farther apart. We could butt it right up against the previous track and have it just like this. Or we could copy those two, move the playhead slightly over, and paste that so that we have it multiple times so that at any point in the video when someone walks in, they're going to hear, please proceed immediately to or directly to the auditorium. And we'll turn down the audio channel with the music on it each time that happens so that we've got clear spoken language. Anytime someone comes in, they can walk directly in, hear that audio become quieter, and then get the instructions that they need. So this is a handy way to make digital signage. It's also great for students who are doing some sort of narration over a video project you've assigned in class. Maybe they're doing some type of report about whatever subject you've assigned, and they'll be able to put their narration voiceover on top of whatever they've done with their video channel. So That gets us here to a spot where we see quieter audio, spoken language, quieter audio, spoken language, and the cough has been clipped out. We have a little gap in between like this.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the West Junior High School Science Fair. Please proceed directly to the auditorium to set up your project.
All right, awesome. So that's adding narration to a WeVideo. This could be any sort of theme up here or template that you've got. It could be just about anything, but adding narration adds a voiceover track. Just remember to check on your audio levels if you have background music. That's about it. Thanks for taking time, and meanwhile, have a great day.